Imagine never having to leave Premiere Pro again. What if I told you that everything you're looking at was done without exporting a single file? Every editor knows the drill. Export the clip, upload it to an AI tool, wait, download it, import it back, then do it all over again. But what if all of that happened right inside your timeline? This is Higgsfield Adobe Plugin, an AI toolkit built directly inside Premiere Pro and After Effects with access to some of the most advanced AI image and video models available today. No browser tabs, no separate apps, no leaving your timeline. Everything happens exactly where you're already editing. So today we're putting it to the test. We'll test AI upscaling, background removal without touching a green screen, AI reframing, so one timeline can instantly become content for every platform, and even object editing directly inside Adobe, using nothing more than a simple prompt or brush stroke. And if it works as advertised, it could completely change the way editors use AI. So let's see what it can actually do. I've been making a lot of videos about Higgsfield lately because it's become the platform I use for almost all of my own projects. The supercomputer tools and MCP completely changed my workflow, and honestly, I barely need any other AI platforms anymore. And now these new plugins have taken things even further. They're not just for Premiere Pro either. You can install them in After Effects, Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, Figma, and several other creative apps, giving you direct access to Higgsfield's features without ever leaving your software. Installing them is simple. Just download the exe file, install it with ZXP installer, then open it in Premiere through window extensions. That's it. From that point on, you can stay inside Premieres and complete your entire production workflow without constantly switching between different platforms. You'll also have access to all the images and videos you've previously generated, so you can drag them straight onto your timeline whenever you need them. For image generation, you get access to all the latest models. The same goes for video generation. For example, you can create an image with GPT Image 2 using a simple prompt, then send that image directly to the video section and use Kling, Seedance, or any other supported generator to turn it into an animation. And once it's back inside Premiere, you can edit it however you like. That's already incredibly powerful. But the feature I really want to focus on today is the one that, in my opinion, makes life dramatically easier for video editors. Let's start with video background removal, which used to be a surprisingly complicated task. Here you can either upload a video manually or use a clip that's already selected on your timeline. All you have to do is describe what you want to keep as the foreground, and the AI will remove everything else automatically. What's really impressive is that it works well even with multiple characters, busy environments, and scenes filled with moving objects, like where traditional masking workflows can become a nightmare. Once the process is finished, you can immediately preview the result on your timeline and see that it has done the job accurately without needing any complicated manual cleanup. You don't even have to remove the background. In the edit section, you can just replace it instead. For example, you can drop your character into a trendy studio setup, one simple prompt, and you're done. Quality results. So let's put it to the test and see what it can really do. Or you can move them to a beach on a tropical island. Within seconds, you get a fresh new shot ready for editing. Quality results. So let's put it to the test and see what it can really do. And it doesn't stop there. You can push it further and add creative elements too, like a bird landing on the character's shoulder. All of these clips can then be placed together on the timeline to build a smooth cinematic video. What used to take hours of back and forth work is now handled directly inside Premiere with just a few clicks. The next feature I want to show you is draw to video, and honestly, it's really cool. Just like before, you can select any video and open it inside this panel to start editing it directly. All you need to do is pause on the exact frame you want, then use different colored brushes to mark the areas you want to modify. After that, you simply describe what each color represents and the AI applies the changes for you. For example, you can change the color of a character's clothing, add a logo, or basically modify anything you can imagine. And in my case, I asked it to place 2 text elements on the video, and as you can see, it did it cleanly and accurately. This is honestly a game changer. You no longer need to worry about knowing motion graphics or spending hours on time-consuming edits. The next feature is Reframe, and it's fast and incredibly easy to use, and it lets you outpaint your footage and automatically adapt it for different platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. As you can see, it does an excellent job reconstructing the areas above and below the original frame that weren't there before. The last feature I want to show you is Upscale. With a single click, you can enhance your final video all the way up to 4K directly inside Premiere using Higgsfield. The results are genuinely impressive and look remarkably clean. Overall, I think this plugin makes the entire video editing workflow much faster and a whole lot easier. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, stay creative.